Act 3, Scene 4, Lord Capulet's Plan. The Capulets' house. Lord and Lady Capulet and Paris are talking.
Paris, my daughter is very unhappy. Her cousin Tybalt died this morning. Lord Montague's son killed him.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I talk to Juliet? Not at the moment, Paris. She's in her room. It's very late and she needs to rest.
Listen, I've just thought of something. I want Juliet to forget about Tybalt's death. I think that she'll be happy when she marries. I know that you love Juliet, and that you would like to marry her. The two of you must marry as soon as possible. What day is it today?
It's Monday night, sir.
Right. The wedding will be on Thursday.
That's wonderful! To his wife.
Go and tell Juliet what I have decided, my dear. We must hurry. Don't forget, Paris. The wedding will be in 3 days.
I won't forget, sir.